welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a little makeup video. Well, I'm not the person who is going to be doing the makeup on me. My friend here is going to be doing the makeup. Elizabeth. I've never done this makeup thing before. I don't know nothing about makeup. I don't even know my shade. So she's going to tell me all of that today and see if she can get me to look prettier and all of that. Because everybody did ask for makeup videos and stuff. So because me can't do makeup, I get my friend for do makeup, and she can do makeup because her makeup slay right now. Like, it look real nice. I don't like the extra business with the whole heap of glitter and it wing gun out here. So that is not me. I just want it to look simple and see how she can get my face. I mean, I have much eyebrows, so it's gonna be hard for her. Hopefully you can manage. But I only wear lip gloss and I do a little eyebrow thingy sometimes. It don't look tree bad, but it don't look tree good either. So let's get into the video. She gonna like show me what she gonna use, what and what she have, what is my shade, and all of that. I'm supposed to know my shade, right?
Well, if you don't
It is okay that I don't know my own shade?
Yeah, because you
Okay,
don't really
good.
like makeup.
Yeah. I don't have nothing against makeup, you know, guys. I have nothing against makeup. I just, you know, never take a time out to do makeup. Even when I did a go ball, like, when I do the makeup, and my mother get me ready anyways, and my mother up in her age.
Be something
I always see this on YouTube. I finally hold it.
Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is clean our face with a wipe. Next step, I'm going to do our brows with the Anchor Cosmetics pencil in brown.
I don't have much.
Which she
Never. Yeah, the first person.
Oh.
Yeah. I don't mess with makeup. As I said, I don't have nothing against makeup, but I know something I go just say me I go sit down and do or do before me go out. No, I don't hate it, but I just never do it. Like I do my eyebrow, you know. It's not really so hot, but you know, it can go on.
Okay, so now I'm going to clean up our brows with LA Girls Pro Concealer in Fawn, in the shade Fawn.
So she did the brows, the eyebrows. So she's going to do the foundation now. Oh, so this is the part where they give you the little tree in the middle of your forehead.
No,
that
that's
they give
highlight.
Oh, highlight.
Yeah, so after the foundation, then
Oh, because I always see people put the little stick and then they will leave. Oh, so I'm gonna get that. Okay, so the thing, the thing up, man.
Because I give a full face, because anyway.
And what kind of makeup you give me? Like
a dramatic makeup, like.
Okay, so you know, make it look extra. I can go on with myself. I want to go somewhere after. After I finish, I can do my baby hair.
I always do my baby hair before I do my
Oh, you do the makeup?
Yeah, because the makeup I go in the gel and take
oh.
a makeup, it hold it on mess. So.
Well, I'm not doing any baby hair. Both of them not gonna always come out perfect. Like what YouTubers do, and them have hell with one of their eyebrow.
Me, if my one of my eyebrow look good enough for
because yours perfect and on point right now.
Really?
Like they have this thing that they put over your eyebrow and you use it marketing. I want one of that.
Can't find that one.
Yeah, you did have?
I can't find
I want one.
So
I take notes because you know I want to do this by myself the next time.
Finish blending out our foundation. Now I'm going to go back with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Fawn and just highlight her.
So now she highlight me.
the makeup since 10th grade.
10th grade? Oh, that's a long time.
Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to the place where the foundation is, because the foundation is really oily. So I'm just going to go in with the Sasha Matte Face Powder, and I'm going to set the foundation into place.
Okay.
I'm just a professional makeup artist, so.
You're doing good so far though.
So what I'm gonna do is going with the Sasha Fix It spray and spray her face. Alright, we're not finished. You know, for winter already.
That was a lot. Jeez.
So now I'm going to go ahead and do the
What you call it? Eyeshadow?
eyeshadow. Before I start the eyeshadow, I'm going to put a little more of the powder over her eye.
What color?
Okay, so
I think I should add. Okay, no, you give me what you want. Okay, good.
So I'm going to use the brown color in this eyeshadow palette. I love this eyeshadow palette. It's
You're giving me glitter?
a glitter. No.
Why?
You want
I want glitter.
Alright. What color I'm gonna use?
That's my favorite color.
Purple. My favorite color in the palette, as you can see.
Purple?
Yeah, pink is my favorite color. Purple is the second favorite color. My favorite.
But
color.
in makeup, you like to use the purple.
Yeah.
In this palette.
Alright, so I'm going to use this palette, and I am going to take the dark blue, which is Moonbeam. I'm going to take this blue and I'm going to put it under her eye also. Alright, so next step will be mascara.
Yeah, the nice part.
For the under.
Oh, you're going to do the top and the bottom?
Yes.
The eyelash and the... What you call it? It one in the eyelash?
Mm-hmm. Bottom eye.
Bottom and top.
Alright. So
It's time for the glow. You know, I look like an adult.
So we use all different type of glow in the palette here. This is a shimmery palette. Just use the glow. I'm not too get enough glow because our eye is dramatic already. So I want the focus to be on your eyes.
On my eyes.
Then you have to blend so that the makeup look.
It don't look too harsh on my face. Big and brawling. Next thing then come done me like how then done macadam.
Alright, so the next step, guess.
The lipstick.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think I should go with the lip gloss.
This is a gloss. Alright, so what me wanna do?
I want a heavy gloss. What you what you do if I go with this gloss?
More put the brown pencil, line your lip with the brown
so
pencil.
it can blend in with the brown. Okay, do that. I like that. I always say one of my favorite YouTubers do that to their lips.
Try blend.
Lip.
It looks crazy now, but try blend.
Woo!
Alright. So give me this.
You think it's too much?
No, give me this. I got actually need to get ready.
If you lip gloss too much, the killer, she said she can't really, do people lip.
So you have a lip gloss? So are you?
I do have a lip gloss. Look on the dresser there, you see a black top lip gloss thing. Yes, girl. We have too much in common, you know.
Your edges.
Alright, guys. So I'm going to do my edges, my baby ears, and then I'm going to come back. So then Una go judge it and tell me how it look. To be honest, my face, it don't feel heavy. It feel alright. Like probably me did a bit. Probably, I don't know, but me usually say I don't want any makeup because it gonna feel too heavy, it gonna sticky, but actually it feels good. I mean the eyebrow part, not the eyebrow, the eyelash kind of feel heavy, but it is okay. So I'm going to do my baby ear, then I'll come back and make an grade it and see the finishing touch. This is the finished product, and I want to know if you like rate her. It look nice. It fit me. Is that thing what I always do, or how you like it? But I don't even know what to say. But yeah, these are the finished thing. I like it. It not feel too heavy. Like when it did sit on your face for how long, it start to feel away, but it's alright for now. I can manage. The mascara thing on my eyelid, it kind of feel like weird, but it is okay. Someone wants to know if you like, in the comment section, grade or rate her out of 10. And yeah, her name is Lizzie. You can always contact me so I can contact her because she don't use Instagram. Who does that? Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and more videos are gonna come. So bye.